Hi everyone, I'm Daniela and welcome to Black Cat Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a super quick and easy vegan caramel sauce with just a hint of salt. This is perfect on pancakes, waffles, vegan ice cream, and it's great for your friends with dietary needs. So let's jump right in. See the description below for a list of ingredients. To 2 teaspoons of corn flour or cornstarch, add 2 teaspoons of water. You'll want to stir that together until it's nice and smooth and there are no lumps. This is going to thicken our sauce. Into a small pot goes 250 grams of Oatly Creamy Oat or your favorite vegan single cream alternative, and 75 grams of dark brown sugar. Turn the heat to medium to start to warm up the cream and melt the sugar. Continue stirring until the sugar is completely dissolved. Now add your cornstarch and water mix to the pan. Let that cook for about 7 minutes until it starts to thicken and becomes nice and syrupy. Once it looks like this, turn off the heat and add in half a teaspoon of vanilla and just a sprinkling of sea salt. Set it aside to cool slightly and then it's ready to enjoy. Thanks so much for watching this quick video. Make sure to give us a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below with other quick videos that you'd like us to do. We'll see you next time.